Hello guys, so I would like us to find the Taylor series of this particular polynomial about the point x is equal to 3. Now, we know that Taylor series expansion, if you have a function f of x plus h, then the Taylor series is given by f of x plus h f prime of x plus h squared over 2 factorial f double prime of x plus h cubed over 3 factorial f third prime of x and so on. So we already have our f of x. We will start by evaluating the values and then replace them into our equation. So f of x, which is the first function that we need, is equal to x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6. So what is f of our x is 3. So what is f of 3? Replace the value of 3 in the equation. So this will give us 3 cubed minus 10, 3 squared plus 6. And evaluating this will give us the value as minus 57. If we do that correctly. Then what is f prime of x? If we differentiate this, we'll get 3x squared minus 20x. Okay, so what is f prime of 3? So putting 3 where there's x, we will have f prime of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 squared minus 20 into 3. And evaluating this will give us minus 33. Then what is f double prime of x? Differentiating this, you get 6x minus 20. Hence, f second prime of 3, if you replace the value of 3, you have 6, 3 minus 20. Evaluating this will give 18, so that will be minus 2. Then f third prime of x, differentiating this will give 6. So f third prime of 3, we don't have an x here, so this will just be 6. If we were to continue and get the fourth prime, we'll get a 0. So there's really no point of evaluating this because this will be 0. So obviously, f fourth prime of 3 will be 0. Okay, fine. So if we come back so that we replace our values into the Taylor series formula, we are going to have, so we need to find our value of h. We've already been told that the point is at x is equal to 3. So our value of h, so at point x is equal to 3. So our value of h will be x minus 3. So replacing into the formula, we have our f of x plus h is equal to f of x. And what is our f of x? Our f of x, we found it to be equal to minus 57. So minus 57 plus h, and our h is x minus 3, f prime of x, and our f prime of x we found to be minus 33, plus x minus 3 squared, all this divided by 2 factorial, that is our h squared, and then multiplied by f second prime. And what's our f second prime? Minus 2 plus h, which is x minus 3 cubed over 3 factorial multiplied by f third prime, and our f third prime is 6. So we can write the value of 6 there. Can have our 6 here. And clearly, this is how we go about this particular expansion. So this generally just gives us minus 57 minus 33 into x minus 3. And then here, these 2 can cancel out with the 2 factorial. Then we have minus x minus 3 squared. And then 3 factorial can cancel out with a 6, so that we have here plus x minus 3 cubed, which is our answer. That's how we go about that.